I've got an awesome recipe for you today. My wife made this. It's great. Fudgy brownies. You can make them with cocoa powder or carob powder, either way. Very simple recipe. Here, I'll give you a shot. Carob brownies, a real treat. You're going to enjoy them. These have to go in the fridge for a couple of hours. Just chill them for a couple of hours and they're really tasty. Okay, here's what you're going to put in there. You're going to use 1¼ cups of shredded coconut. You're going to use 1½ tablespoons of carob powder or cocoa powder. Now what you want to do is use your high-speed blender, and you want the shredded coconut and the cocoa powder to become like a powder. Okay, you want to really blend that up, make it like a powder. Then you're going to put in 12 to 14 pitted medjool dates. If you haven't had medjool dates, you're going to be in for a treat. They're awesome. Better than any candy you've ever had. You're going to use a pinch of sea salt. You're going to use 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla, 1 tablespoon of raisins, 2 tablespoons of almond butter, and maybe a tablespoon of walnuts for garnish. And then, after you get it all together, you stick it in the fridge for a couple hours. Man, this is an awesome treat. Gives you a burst of energy and really satisfies the sweet tooth. I suggest you eat this before dinner because this is healthy sweets, and after dinner, you're not going to be looking for sweets because you've already had them.